Good afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday, July 30th, and it is roughly 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to review a little bit of the British pound, Australian dollar. I took an entry recently, and I thought I'd just work through my process and see where we are. We're pretty much at break even still. It hasn't moved in the direction yet that I had hoped. So what I'm going to do first is replay and just go back a few, maybe couple days. Let's go back, maybe just, let's go back 2 days, 3 days. Okay. So I got here again, as always, I look at my weekly and monthly first to get a sense of our expansion pattern. We have our consolidation box and our expansion pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, come up to here. Did it reject around this level? Is it finding some resistance here? Perhaps we're coming down. We have a little blip there warning us that we might be into a downtrend on the weekly. I'm gonna go to the monthly briefly and get a sense of what's going on also. Where is that? Oh, we have one way down here. So our fair market value line is much farther south than where our current price location is. This could be, even though it hasn't confirmed, it seems to be a pretty good center here. So we're confirmed down. We just have a warning dot. It may still be coming down. I'm not 100% sure where this is going. Maybe coming down, like I said, to this fair market value, maybe up to here, not sure. So let's go to the daily. Our daily are currently on a downtrend right there for sure. Right here. We could be pushing down to this fair market value line here. If you look at our pattern, we had a expansion 1, 2, 3, down maybe to 4 down here. When we do have fair market value possibly forming up here, we have a little consolidation gray box that creates the chance for a pattern right here. We can come up, come down, come up, come down. All right, so not really sure yet where to go with this. Like I said, in the fast at least, I like to watch things happen as they move along. That's why I always go back a little bit and then fast forward to the present to get a good sense of really where this has been, where it tends to be going. A static chart for me does tell a good story, but I don't know, it doesn't have that dynamic movement like the waves have. At the ocean, every wave is different. Sometimes you see a big wave coming in from the shore, from heading toward the shore, and when it gets to you, it's nothing. And then other times the waves and the sets just keep rolling in. So let's see here. We got the 4-hour is currently on a downtrend. We thought maybe on the daily that it might still be continuing that downtrend. So here we are. We got this now. We got the downtrend on the daily, possibly coming to this fair market value line right here. And then possibly coming down also on the 4-hour. Coming down, but we can always use this as a fair market value and a new gray box here that formed, which could create some sort of attraction toward the upside. So let's see what we got here on the 5-minute. Whoa, where'd you go? All right, let's get some size here, condense it a little bit. All right, so we're definitely low, where unless I was thinking it was heading north, I wouldn't take an entry here. It's way overpriced toward the downside. So I'm gonna let this run, see where it goes. Like I said, we're a few days back from where we are. I believe it actually does take a good bullish movement. So we're watching here on the 5. We got our pattern, our fair market value here. We're above. We're going to the downside. So if you were thinking it's going to continue down, it's been down a long ways. I get a little nervous when it's been down for so long that it's going to stay down. But this would have been an area where it was overpriced for the downside up here as well. So if an entry here with a stop up there might have been something to consider. But like I said, it had been down for a while. I wouldn't have taken this trade. We're currently well above the fair market value line here. We just got a warning dot that we're heading toward the upside. It hasn't confirmed yet, and that's always a tough spot, but it's so far above it, I don't see why we don't confirm to the upside very soon. At the end of that candle, we have a new fair market value. It's going to confirm to the upside right now. Now we're still on a uptrend on the weekly, although we are trading well below that. Chances are it's going to come higher, maybe test this institutional level here, maybe take out the top of this box if it were to keep going up. Let's see. If it turns here, this might be a good entry point if you're going long. Keep hitting off of this, rejecting off of this. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to go up yet. Alright, so we're definitely underneath this. We're trading below that. We have a new fair market value here. We have our expansion. We have our expansion lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it going to bounce off this and come down? Or continue up? We did confirm to the downside on the 4-hour. I missed that. So I wouldn't take an up trade here. I just don't. I don't like to go against the trend on the 4-hour, and that's why I wouldn't take it down. I wouldn't have gone up there, but that's what happens. You get these mixes, these things that happen. You don't expect them, and that would have been probably a loss, perhaps. So we're well above now. We took a good jump to the high side. We did take out the top of this box, and now confirmed. We may come a little higher. Maybe take out the top of this box, or start to make other moves. So we're confirmed to the upside. We're way above our fair market value, our trend line marker. So I would not go long here. It is way overpriced, I believe. It's still going up though. Still going up, still going up. Coming back down to this fair market value. Maybe back down to here. No? Okay, keep going up. That's a good rejection there. New fair market value consolidation box. One, two. So we're way high above here. I mean, that's a large candle right there. This thing is probably going to retrace at least half the candle to the downside. But I wouldn't, again, this is up and it has gone the opposite way many, many times. So maybe if it confirms to the down, I'll take it down. And that may be exactly what I did. So yeah, we're coming down here. playing along this fair market value line right now. This one right here. And this one. So we got two pretty robust fair market values there. And we have 1, 2, and now we're playing off of this area. We're not going above it. We're not coming down. We're kind of just playing in this area. So here we got a down warning. Now this is a dangerous area a lot of times. If you're long, this could be a prime area to go long because you're short, you're well below fair market value. You could have a really good price. And this is kind of like a slingshot area. It's got a lot of potential to move back up. The fact that it is a full candle though below this indicator makes me think it's probably going to stay a little lower. And I believe that's exactly what it did. We confirmed to the downside. We confirmed to the downside. I believe right here we confirmed to the downside. Now I was watching this and my plan was to try to get in above this fair market value line. It went down, came back up, and it kept holding off and it wouldn't come to this line. So it came back up, rejected. I think this is probably where I got in. I don't know why the window's all the way over here. I took an entry here when it rejected off of this the second time. It went back down, came back up, went back down, and I took a second entry right there. So my stop loss is way above here, and I believe we're pretty much live right now. Yeah, we're live. Okay, so I can turn off replay. And that's where we are right now. So my plan is for this to come down, hopefully take out this fair market value here on the 4 hour. And then see what it does. If it wants to continue going past down there, wonderful. If it decides to change and start getting an uptrend, I will get out of this trade. Otherwise, we will watch it. It is unfortunately 6 o'clock, so markets are pretty quiet right now, widespread, and I'm just going to keep an eye. It keeps rejecting off of here, so that's promising. We formed a new box underneath this, so that's also promising. I'm hoping it'll come down here. Maybe it'll come up one more time to test this line and then head back down. So that's kind of what I think. We're either going to come back down, up, down, and then all the way down. That would be sweet. Or we come up, maybe test this line again. We could even come up to here. That's when I get nervous. And then come down. But this area, you might be considering taking it off at that point. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right. Any other questions or anything? Let me know. Hopefully we're watching this. I'll put up a review tomorrow, I guess, on this and see how this one plays out. That's about it. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day, weekend, and life. Be good. Peace.